Hello folks, welcome back, or welcome if you're new. It's that time again for What's for Supper Wednesday. And today we're going to be having a simple meal. It can't get any simpler than this, I don't believe. We're going to fry us up our ground beef. We're going to cook the rest of that bag of egg noodles we had. And Carolyn's going to make us some brown gravy. We'll fry this up. We'll cook these here like it says on the package. And while Carolyn there is making the gravy, we'll let this stuff be a cooking. And it should taste pretty good. Now we're filming this ahead of time. Of course, you know, the day we're doing this, it's a cold, snowy day out. And I'll show you that there in just a second. But no, we went from, it was in the 60s yesterday, low 60s. And today we got snow. Yeah, a few of the days it got up to 70. But we'll get started with this. We're just going to fry this up. And like I always say, make it your own. We're just going to add some salt and pepper to this here. Onions would be good in this. We're not going to be doing that today. Just whatever you'd like to add to it, feel free to do it. And like I said, we'll show Carolyn over here making her gravy here in just a second. Because all I'm going to be doing, I'm just going to be cooking these, browning this up, and we'll drain each one of them, and then we're going to combine everything together. Can't get no easier than that. And then, do you like them on top of?
Yeah, a little bit.
Me and Dan like these French fried onions on top of ours. Carolyn likes them a little bit. But no, that just tops it off. Alrighty, let's get started. But it's supposed to warm back up in a few days. We gotta go up here in a little bit and get hay for both sides of the goats.
Okay, for the brown gravy, we're gonna do the same thing as I did the white gravy, except instead of milk, we're gonna use beef broth. I could have used my chicken broth, home canned chicken broth, but we wanted a more beefy flavor, so, and I don't have no home canned beef broth. So we're gonna need 32 ounces of beef broth, 1/4 cup of flour, 1/4 cup of butter, and some salt and pepper to taste. Okay, first we're going to add our butter and we're going to melt that. Okay, the butter's melted. Now I'm going to add the flour. And we're going to cook the flour in it till it gets a little like peanut butter color. And the smell is kind of nutty like. What would be good in this too would be mushrooms. That would be good. And onions. We don't have any mushrooms, but that would be good too. Okay, it's browned up. Now we're going to add our beef broth a little at a time. And this is going to depend on how thick you want it. Let me grab my whisk. Once it comes up to temperature, it'll start thickening up again. And depending on how thick you want it, is when you turn the heat off. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and pour the rest of this. For this recipe, you probably need it pretty thin. Well, not real thin, but not real thick gravy either. I'm going to get this heated back up and thickened up a little bit. Okay, that's about as thick as we want it. Want to add some salt. Just to taste, however you like it. And if I can get the pepper open.
Good luck, shit.
Pepper in there. Then we're going to just stir this and give it a taste. Doug has got the hamburger fried up. Got the noodles cooked.
Just gotta drain the noodles now. And we'll combine them in with the burger and then we'll add the gravy. Quick meal. Alrighty. Just add the noodles in here. Oh. Hit my back on the refrigerator. Carolyn was crowding me there. Now we're just going to combine them together, and then we'll add the gravy. And Carolyn was right, mushrooms would have been real good in this. Like I said, make this your own. Just get it incorporated together pretty good there. Like I said, it's a fast meal. Good for a day like this here. It ain't that cold outside. It's just after a week of having warm weather, it feels pretty cold. Alrighty. Now, let me slide this over here. And now all we're going to do is get this pot holder up I just dropped. Just going to add our gravy.
It's on the thin side, but we wanted it real thin.
Alrighty. We'll get it plated up and we'll have everybody come give it a taste test. Alrighty, we'll get everybody over here to give it a try. I put the French fried onions on top.
Delicious.
Ah.
Good.
Very good. Very good, folks. Quick, easy meal. The burger, if you can find some at a decent price, it'll be a cheap meal. I hope everybody has a blessed day. Stay safe, Lord willing. We'll be seeing you Friday. Thank you all for watching. Now, folks, this here's the leftovers from the other day. And Carolyn added cream of mushroom soup to it. Oh my gracious, it's 1,000 times better. Don't get me wrong, it was great before. But now, there's them onions.
Down on the farm where the green grass grows, we're thankful for the love that everybody knows. It's another day under the white blue sky, with the sun shining bright and the time drifting by. Homeland's homestead where the story unfolds, our hearts full of laughter and our memories go. Oh, thank you for watching from near and far. Your support, it brightens just like a star. Don't forget to subscribe, it's always free. Join our journey, come share the glee. At Homeland's homestead, we're never alone. With every view and every share, you make this place home. For From sunrise to sunset in fields so wide, with family and friends, we've nothing to hide. We're building our dreams, one day at a time, with each gentle tune and each heartfelt rhyme. Oh, thank you for watching, from near and far. Your support, it brightens, just like a star. Don't forget to subscribe, it's always free. Join our journey, come share the glee. At Holman's Homestead, we're never alone. With every view and every share, you make this place home. From sunrise to sunset in fields so wide, with family and friends, we've nothing to hide. We're building our dreams, one day at a time, with each gentle tune and each heartfelt rhyme. So here's to the moments we all hold dear. With every new subscriber, we spread that cheer. In the heart of the homestead, love's always true. Thank you for being a part of our crew. So thank you for watching, we all hold dear. With every new subscriber, we spread that cheer. In the heart of the homestead, love's always true. Thank you for being a part of our crew. So thank you for watching as we close this song. At Holman's Homestead, where we all belong. With your hearts beside us, we'll keep rolling on. Thank you for watching, we'll see you at dawn. So thank you for watching as we close this song at Holman's Homestead, where we all belong. With your hearts beside us, we'll keep rolling on. Thank you for watching, we'll see you at dawn.